Mabuhay! As 𝗕𝗰𝗵𝗸 National High School to commence the progressive expansion phase of face-to-face classes, we will give you an excursion inside the campus of its new normal setting, along with its health and safety protocols among personnel and learners. Upon the arrival of our learners and parents, you will notice our school map and foot traffic, which will serve as their location guide. And of course, we have our waiting area for our parents and guardians for their dropping off and picking up the learners, following minimum health protocols. Our schoolgoers shall follow this, our no large gatherings and no vehicle entry beyond this point. Following safety measures, as we enter the school, we need to wash our hands through our foot-operated hand washing facility. After our hand washing station comes our screening area, wherein our schoolgoers are guided by our flow chart, like temperature check, hand sanitation, medical and travel history will be recorded by our personnel through our health declaration form. Before leaving our screening area, ask the filled out form from the personnel. Then, you may proceed to our holding area. Our schoolgoers, learners, and personnel shall follow this foot traffic signed colored green.
Bringing with a form, our learners and personnel will be dropping by our holding area, wherein all the health declaration forms will be compiled daily. The holding area personnel will also be assisting our school nurse designate for those who are home with health issues in a day. And here is our school clinic designated room, all equipped with essential medical stuff. Upon entering our classroom setting, students will then have temperature check and hand sanitation. It is a must. Students then will follow the classroom foot traffic posted. First to come shall have this first line A, occupying the back seat first, numbering 1 to 4, 5 to 8, 9 to 12, 13 to 16, and our last lane, 17 to 20. During break time, our dear learners are of course entitled to have their snacks. They will be queuing up our designated hand washing facility in this classroom. And after hand washing, they will go back to their assigned seats to take their snacks. As the classes have been consumed, this line will be the first to go out, dropping all their finished outputs in the sterilization boxes area. As they go out, they will take off their face mask, putting it in our infectious waste bin, and get the new one as they about to exit. With utmost excitement, 𝗕𝗰𝗵𝗸 National High School is very thrilled to see you learners, starting with Batch 1 on Monday, April 4, 2022. This is National High School of 𝗕𝗰𝗵𝗸. We are one and we leave no one.